Okay, let's keep chasing that carrot. Whew. He's almost got it. Why does it keep getting further away from him? Right, time for some word questions. I guess we are looking in particular for some sort of diagrams. And on that diagrams, the star of the show, of course, is you need to show me where is the right angle. Then I guess we can label up some sides and see if we can use Pythagoras. Label up the sides. Okay, so I got an IG max, LGI max. I think that's some sort of cinema. Yep, 35.75 meters across. I guess that's big. So anyway, I guess in my brain, screens are rectangles. Now rectangles have nice little right-hand corners, right angle corners. So the diagonal, this word is, oh, they want me to find the diagonal. That's the diagonal. So it's 35 centimeters, 35 meters across. It's a very odd number, 35.73, 29.42. They couldn't make it like 30. Easy for us mathematicians. Right. Let's see if we have our colour. Hopefully people are just linking up here, ABC. So, remembering from before, C squared B. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. This is happening all the time. So, we'll write out the rule. Got my picture. I see where the right angle is. Here's C squared. Well, that's going to be the X in this question, isn't it? X equals this one squared. We may need the Milo tin in a minute. Plus 29.42 squared. Or X squared is going to equal 2. Right. Bracket 35.73 squared plus bracket 29.42 squared. Is that a 229? Deep sigh. Right, got myself a number here. So x squared equals 2142.1693, and x, of course, equals the square root of that. And this is how we get that previous answer into the square root. Shift answer down here. So it's going to use that down here, because I don't want to type that out again. So x would be 46. Now in the questions they had 2 decimal points, so we'll go to 3 decimal points. 2835, which is going to be 284 meters. The diagonal across this massive cinema screen is 46.284. I wonder if it is still the largest screen in the world. Unlikely. Next question. Okay, question 2. We've already got ourselves a picture for question 2. We've got to think what is the 90, and that's 2 meters. So here's another one of those questions where, you know, this is 90 and this is really 200. All right, let's get all the units the same here. And I'm looking and I'm guessing that this is X. This is what we're looking for. 2 meters long, leans up against the wall. The feet are 90 from the base. Interesting to see if you can draw this picture from just a sentence. How far up the wall does the ladder reach? Oh, I can count the bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 8 bricks. Is that 80 centimetres? Or is that 800 metres? I don't know. But we can find out. Let's come and look. We've got our triangle here. C, A, B. So the rule is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Or 200 centimetres equals 90 centimetres squared plus X squared. Right, a little bit of calculator work and we're getting some other numbers. 2 squared is 4, and I guess we're going to have 4 zeros. Maybe I should have changed the units. Anyway, your job is the numbers are over here. So Time for the calculator again. So I'm actually going to go 200 squared, subtract 90 squared, just to see if I made a mistake along the way, getting 31900 equals x squared. Again, really need to see where this happens. Now, this is in centimeters. Shift, bracket, shift, answer. Oh, we've got another one of these clever little answers here. So let's go F to D, fractions to decimal button, 178. We haven't had any decimals at this point, so I want to round it up. I'll keep it 1 decimal point lower than what we started with. No, I don't want to be the person who cuts a piece of timber 0.6 of a centimetre. However, that problem is no longer a problem. Cool. Okay, after takeoff, a plane climbs at a constant angle until it reaches an altitude of 1,200 metres. Okay, if it's gone 89, how far has it gone along the line? So the flight distance reads is 89 through the instruments of the plane. So I guess altitude, this word implies right angle. So normal rules apply. I have labelled up the sides. I've got my Pythagoras. This is all true because of that right angle. Need to see that on the picture. So, oh, I've just spotted something. Danger in the units. So let's put them all to kilometres. So 12,000 metres is 12 kilometres from earlier in the year. 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres. So this means that now I've got 89 squared equals, let's put an X for what I'm looking for to show people what I'm looking for, plus 12 squared. This is one of those questions where we're going to move this around because we want to get the X by itself. Milo tin, because I don't know 89 squared. Now, I will have to ask people whether or not this Milo tin is an improvement. So down on the board, I'm writing 7921. And now, similar to before, this is where we're going to do the subtraction. 7921, subtract 144. So we're going to get X is the square root of whatever this is, which happened to be 7777. Now, I wonder how they got that to work. What is the square root of 7777? And so X is approximately 88. Let's go to 1 decimal point, 0.2 kilometres. Okay, so across. So in a phrase, the plane has travelled 88.2 kilometres along. Okay. Boom.